actually in the screen?
Yep, you're right in the bullseye middle. And it's recording. I don't like it.
Why?
Because you're not smiling or anything.
Well, I'm not ready to shoot yet. Alright, hey everyone, it's FG again, and this is going to be a pretty short video because this is a really easy upgrade. I'm going ahead and changing out the taillight bulbs from standard to LED. The headlights are on, the running lights come on, and so I'm going to zoom in here, and you can see right here that is the reversing lamps that I had changed before, put a corncob festoon on there. And so here's the standard bulb the truck came with, and then I'm going to fade over to the other side, and here is the new corncob that I've installed. These are from Super Bright LEDs, and these are these are $14.95 a piece. My fault, that was the other one I was thinking of. Alright, and I give you a visual indication of what it looks like with the brake lights on, and you can see that basically they're about the same brightness, so I'm not really looking to blind any drivers behind me or anything like that. That's really not the point. You can see that the reflector is pretty much filled about as well as the standard incandescent does, because they mounted SMDs all the way around the whole perimeter, as you can see here. Really the point of these is that they're completely vibration proof, so when you're trail driving, you don't have to worry about any of the bulbs failing because of the filaments. But one of the bigger advantages, and it's not instantly apparent, is that when you step on your brake pedal, there is a slight lag before the lamps actually activate and are then able to tell the person behind, hey, this guy is braking. LEDs have almost an instantaneous or microsecond response time, whereas an incandescent lamp, you can actually see it start to glow and then get up to full intensity. And you may be questioning why that would be a big deal and scratching your head going, yeah, and I care. Well, actually, that can make a difference. It can be a safety feature. If you think about a vehicle traveling 60 miles per hour, you're covering 88 feet every second. So if the person behind you has a half a second extras warning and they're paying attention or not paying attention, that can be the difference of 44 feet, which could be pretty much about twice the length of a standard vehicle. And if that gives them that much more braking distance, they may be able to avoid hitting you, whereas with a standard lamp, you could be in the possible scenario where the person might actually tail end you. So I think for the nominal cost that these invoke, I think it's a pretty good upgrade. And so that's just my 2 cents worth. Take it for what it's worth. Fast postscript, actually, which I didn't mention in the original video. I have taillight guards, which you can see, which are very, very easily installable or removable. Quick note for anybody who's never pulled one of these taillights: all you need is a ratchet wrench and a 10mm socket. There are 2 bolts here inside, one at the top, one at the bottom, and all you do is remove those 2 bolts and give the tail lamp a little bit of a pull. There is a plastic, there's a bolt that actually goes into a plastic socket, so I guess you could call it sort of a snap lock type of arrangement. And all you have to do there is just go ahead and give the tail lamp assembly a little bit of a pull directly backwards, straight out to the rear of the truck, and it will pop loose. And at that point, you're done. You go ahead and install your new bulbs and wrap it up. You're all finished. All right. Until next time, see you all later. Be safe. FG signing out.